For the first time, there is a station set for Kiambu law courts. Most of the times we have been visiting Milimani law courts, mostly the members from the Nairobi LSK branch. And so advocates, as they come to do their business in court or for their matters, they take their time to give advice to the members of the public who may be seeking and may not be able to afford legal services from the advocate's office. It is always important because not all litigants or not all citizens are able to afford advocates. And so this is a very, very important week for the litigants to get free advice for all the issues that they may be inquiring from advocates. And you see, if a litigant visits an advocate's office, automatically they are expected to pay. But during this legal week, we don't expect anyone to pay because this is a week that is set for free legal services. We have advocates who are sitting on those on the tents, and there are many members of the public who are coming to seek legal advice from the advocates who are offering it here. And so as I would say, there is a good reception, there is good turnout, and I am sure that the litigants are getting proper advice from advocates.